Okay, I just showed a little path. Here's what it looks like. A lot bigger than last time. Here's my little path. Yeah. There's my car. I'll get that later. Digging half the night did help. For this right here. Come here, come here! Get out of the road, come on! Come on! Good girl. Good girl. Here's where they plowed. And all that is chunks of big ice. There's going to be something to get. So this is it. Where'd she go? Come on. Yeah, always looking out there, aren't you? You know people are out there. Okay. And that's the new one, guys.